still gonna get that SVR from someone. Trust me. They're gonna issue it. They're gonna issue it for fun store. They're gonna call it like 6:43. Or 6:55. Whatever.